What type of trader are you? If this is the question that you are battling with, then this video is for you. In the currency market or trading in general, the type of trader you are will examine when and how you enter the market. So this video will be talking about the 4 types of traders that we have in trading in general. So the first type of trader we have here, I have the scalpers over here. Scalpers. When we talk about a person being a scalper, these are traders who aim to profit from very short time price movements, and they have their analysis time frame to be 15 minutes, and their entry time frame to be 1 minute. So when you are a scalper, you have no business with the 4 hours, the 24 hours, the 1 hour, the 30 minutes. Yours is to focus on the 15 minutes. So your analysis time frame should be the 15 minutes. So in this case like this, when you are a scalper, your main goal is to catch small moves or sharp moves in the market. So when you are a scalper, in the market, your analysis time frame is 15 minutes, and your entry time frame should be 1 minute. So a scalper can just enter the market and will secure profit from here. And will execute or will exit the trade. A scalper can just enter the market from that range, and within 5 to 3 minutes, 3 minutes, 2 minutes, that scalper will be out of the market. So scalpers don't stay long in the market. So their analysis time frame is 15 minutes, and their entry time frame is the 1 minute. So the next type of trader we'll be talking about is a day trader. When we say somebody is a day trader traders, they trade within the day. They are traders that focus on the 4 hours time frame, which is their analysis time frame, and the 15 minutes time frame to be their entry time frames. So per this, I am a day trader. So when you take this analysis here as an example, I mark my supply zone on the 4 hours, which you can see here. I mark my supply zone on the 4 hours, and as soon as market tap my supply zone, I scale down straight to the 15 minutes. To look for opportunity to sell this market. So when I scale to the 15 minutes, I saw this last break of structure here. Which is this one. This last break of structure here. Then I waited for market to break the low of that zone, thereby giving me a market structure shift. So after seeing that market structure shift, mine is to just mark my zone, which is this zone here, and wait for market to tap the zone. So as soon as market taps the zone, then I enter the market, and you can see market delivered properly. So that's for the day traders. Their business is to focus on the 4 hours. They need to do their analysis on the 4 hours. When market enter their zone, then they can go straight to 15 minutes to take their trades. So as a day trader, you have no business with the 1 minute time frame. Sometimes you can use the 5 minutes too, but you have no business with the 1 minute time frame, because the 1 minute time frame, that's the entry time frame for scalpers in the market. Then we can take a look at the swing traders. When we say somebody is a swing trader, these are people that hold trades for days to weeks, focusing on larger price moves and macro trends in the market. So basically, they analyze their pairs. They analyze their pairs on the 1 week time frame. On the 1 week time frame, and they take their trades on the 1 hour. When they take their trades on the 1 hour. So as a swing trader, yours is to focus on the 1 week time frame, and after identifying your daily bias and everything, your bias of the market and everything, you just need to wait for market to tap your zone, and you scale down to 1 hour to take your trade. So as a scalper, as a swing trader, you have no business with the daily time frame. You have no business with the 15 minutes. You have no business with the 5 minutes. Yours is to focus on the 1 week time frame, and when market taps your zone, then you go to the 1 hour to take your trades. Yeah. Then the last one is position traders. Position traders. These are the banks, governments, and those big players of the markets. So they use the 1 month time frame for their analysis time frames. They use the 1 month time frame for the analysis. Then their entry time frame is the 4 hours. Their entry time frame is the 4 hours time frame. So the decision is now yours to choose the type of trader that you want to be. But I have some recommended time frames, or I'll recommend the type of trader that I would like my people to be. I will recommend the type of trader that I want my people to be. So when choosing the type of trader you want to be in the trading market, I will recommend you to first be a scalper. It can be a scalper. So recommended. Okay, time frames or traders. So first of all, I would like my people to be, it can be a scalper, which is not that bad. It can be a scalper. Scalpers too, they make money out of the market, but just that they just don't stay long in the market. So as a scalper, you need to focus on what? The 15 minutes for your analysis time frame, then 1 minute for your entry time frame. So it can be a scalper, thereby you focusing on the 15 minutes for your analysis time frame and 1 minute for your entry opportunities. Then I'll recommend you to be a day trader as well. A day trader. That's what I'm doing. I'm a day trader. So you can be a day trader. Day trader. So for a day trader, they are also called intraday traders. Intraday traders. That means they take opportunity, or they enter market within a day and exit that market within that same day. They don't hold trades till the next day. So they enter the market on a particular day. Then they will exit that same market within that day. So as a day trader, you need to focus on what? The 4 hours. The 4 hours. Sometimes you can focus on the 1 hour too. Then that's for your analysis time frame. And your entry time frame, your best entry time frame should be 15 minutes. And sometimes you can focus on what? The 5 minutes as well. You can focus on the 5 minutes too as well. So these are the recommended time frames and types of traders that I want each and every one of us here to be. So it can be a scalper, and you can also be a day trader. The swing trading too is not bad, but the swing trading too is not bad. So that one, it depends on you. But I will recommend these two types of traders. I will recommend these two types of traders for us to partake in. So you can be a scalper, you can also be a day trader. So I want to share some trade that I caught here. I want to share this trade with you guys. How I caught it as a day trader. How I caught this trade as a day trader. So market was on a serious downtrend here. You can see. And I saw this thing. I saw this market structure shift around this region. Then I marked my zone, my valid zone here. This is my 4-hour supply zone. Since market is on a downtrend, we'll be looking for sells, not buys. So after marking my 4-hour supply zone, I realized that we have a liquidity here. We have some kind of double top liquidity here. That's my liquidity. I have a zone here too. I have a nice supply zone here. This area here. But I wasn't focusing on that zone because I know that there's a liquidity above that zone. So I was focusing on the extreme. Zones. Yeah. So as soon as market taps that extreme 4-hour supply zone, I just scale down to the 15 minutes to wait for market structure shift. And I got my market structure shift around this region here. But when I want to mark the zone that caused the market structure shift on the 15 minutes, my stop loss will be too big. You can see. To be too big, even though market successfully respected that zone. But I scale down to the 5 minutes to see whether I can refine that zone. I scale down to the 5 minutes to see whether I can refine that zone. So when I went to the 5 minutes, this was my zone. And this my kind of IDM inducement. This is my kind of inducement here. My kind of IDM here. So you can see, after seeing that IDM there, I know that this will be a nice trade. So when markets tap the zone, I look for this evening star. Pattern here, which is this blue candlestick, this yellow one, and this yellow one again. So I waited for that pattern to form. Then I entered the market at this region. At the closure of that third sell candle, then stop loss was here. Then I was targeting this low. So I bagged almost 2.54 risks to reward ratio here. So I bagged 2.54 risks to reward ratio here. So when market got to this, because I set my TP here, when market got to this low here, I was automatically out of the market. But market dish out profit again. You can see market dish out profit again. But I'm not a greedy trader. The little that I'll get from the market, I'm okay with it. So guys, that's this all for this video. So you have the choice to make based on the type of trader you want to be. And see you guys in the next video. Thank you.